Impressed? This play had a budget of 60 cents. My costume made up half of it. It's time for my big moment, when I see the audience react and give them my first line, "Ooh, hello."
Oh, hello.
Oh, boy, Santa Claus in the house, you say? Wow, I can't believe it. I hear his bell. I gotta see this guy myself. Santa Claus in the house. Who'd have believed it? Santa? Just a guy in a red suit and a beard. When the real Santa gets here, call me.
Santa!
Look, he has cookies and milk.
Yeah.
Looks like he left a note, too. Can't believe he left footprints all over the floor.
Huh?
Can't believe he left footprints all over the floor. He's so messy. Where did he go? Where did he follow his footprints? Where did he go?